welcome to our chemistry class. We are on the topic chemical bonding and intermolecular forces, and today we are going to focus on intermolecular forces, and we'll begin by looking at hydrogen bonding. So our plan for today is this. We'll have a review of the previous lesson, then we'll talk about intermolecular forces using a demonstration, and then we'll define hydrogen bonding. We'll look at more examples and exercise, and then we'll have an assignment. Last class we were talking about simple covalent bonding and dative covalent bonding, and your task is to use the ammonium ion as an example to differentiate between simple and dative covalent bonding. For you to do that, the first thing you need to do is to draw the Lewis structure of the ammonium ion. So this is the structure of the ammonium ion. We have nitrogen as the central atom bonded to 4 other hydrogen atoms. This is a shared pair of electrons with hydrogen contributing 1, hydrogen contributing 1, and hydrogen contributing 1 here. But for this bond, the shared pair of electrons is only contributed by the hydrogen, it's only contributed by the nitrogen atom. So this is a dative covalent bond. This is a dative covalent bond, while the other bonds are simple or ordinary covalent bonds. So a simple covalent bond is a covalent bond in which the 2 participating atoms each contribute an equal number of electrons for the formation of the bond, while a dative covalent bond is a covalent bond in which only one of the participating atoms, like nitrogen in this ion, contributes the shared pair of electrons. We are going to move on from there and go on to our next activity, which is to guess how many nails can enter a cup filled with water to the brim. This is our cup here, and we have our nails here. But before we start filling the cup of water with the nails, I would like you to predict how many nails can actually enter the cup before the water spills on our tissue paper. Let's listen to group 1. Okay, group 1 says 3 nails. What about group 2? Group 2 says 10 nails. What about group 3? Group 3 says 5 nails. Okay, we are going to carry out the activity and find out how many nails can actually enter the cup before the water spills. So count with me. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, we have 8, we have 9, we have 10. So we have bypassed all the predictions. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's continue. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We can stop here and we just write greater than 30. So we have more than 30 nails required to cause water to spill. This is very different, significantly different from our predictions. We'll be asking the question, why this behavior? Can anybody give us a reason for this unusual behavior that we've noticed? Okay, yes, this can be attributed to hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is an intermolecular force which is very, very obvious in the bulk of water. In the water molecule, in the bulk of water, we have different water molecules lying adjacent to each other. And due to the fact that oxygen has lone pairs of electrons and is highly electronegative, what the oxygen atom does is that it pulls electrons to itself, causing the hydrogen atoms to become slightly positive. And then there will be a force of attraction between the lone pair of electrons on a neighboring oxygen atom and the hydrogen on the neighboring water molecule, resulting in the formation of a hydrogen bond. So the broken line here between this lone pair of electrons and this hydrogen atom constitute an intermolecular bond or an intermolecular force known as the hydrogen bonding. We are going to look at more examples, and then after that we are going to have an exercise, and then we are going to have our assignment. A typical example is the hydride of group 7 elements. We have hydrogen iodide. This hydrogen fluoride is a liquid, while hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen iodide are all gases. And this is due to the existence of hydrogen bonding in hydrogen fluoride. We are going to look at more examples, then we'll have an exercise and our assignment, which will be from your workbook, question 21 to 25 on page 115.